Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I made Twix Brownies. Oh, so sweet and fudgy. Oh, it's so good. So, let's get started. Alright, okay, get a mixing bowl and put in 1 cup of plain flour and 1/4 cup of cocoa. I'm also using the dark Dutch cocoa powder, just gonna be creative. Now you put it to the side. Alright, get another mixing bowl with a microwave safe and put in 1/2 cup of butter. About 1.5 cups of dark chocolate. So you put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds on high. Give it a stir to keep repeating that until it's nicely melted. Alright, so as you can see, the chocolate and the butter have melted. Now just let this cool for about 5 minutes. Then we'll go to the next stage. Alright, now that that's cool, transfer it to a stand mixer and put in 3/4 cup of white sugar and 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now you just mix this in. Now for that mixture, I have 4 eggs, but we'll go to one at a time. Now roast beef, slowly add the dry ingredients that are mixed together. Alright, now you get about 150 grams of Twix bars that are cut up into little pieces, and just gonna add them in there. And then mix it in for a couple seconds until it's just combined. Now preheat your oven at about 325 degrees. And I'm using a 9-inch by 13. You can also use a square pan if you want, but I'm using a 9/13. And I'm gonna get some cooking spray oil and give it a quick grease. And then get your brownie batter and put it right inside. Oh, that looks so good. Alright, now you put this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes and then ship it down. Oh yes, this is perfect. Now just leave this in the pan to cool for about 20 to 25 minutes, then cut it up and then eat. This is so good. Yum. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for Twix Fudge Brownies, as you can see. Ooh. And it's really good to have warm. Let's try it. Oh, so delicious. So, thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next recipe for a new recipe. Peace out.